It's been more than 20 years, but I remember it like it was yesterday.
It was a beautiful day.
The sky was blue, the sun was out, it was peaceful, it was serene.
I don't like to talk about the day.
Things can happen on a beautiful day, at any time.
My story's easy compared to others.
This just in, you were looking at obviously a very disturbing live shot there. That is the World Trade Center.
Plane has crashed into the World Trade Center in New York.
So the flag that we're about to see was in close proximity to World Trade Center number 7, which housed the U.S. Secret Service field office. It was recovered in the aftermath of September 11th by personnel of the U.S. Secret Service. The flag itself has endured some severe trauma. It has been burned, and it was witness to what happened that day. And the textile conservators that will be working on this will not be altering the flag, but they'll be using their techniques and their experience to support the flag.
One of the most important parts of our preservation work is honoring the textile as it is. So our goal is to try and preserve what we can, extend the life of this flag, which endured a very violent day, while maintaining the evidence. It bears witness to what happened, and therefore we don't want to remove or mask out or disguise the holes, the dirt, the areas where the nylon burned and melted and fused together. We're honoring that as part of the history of the flag of the day.
It's just very significant that we were able to find this flag. It's not going to be put away. It hasn't been destroyed. It hasn't been lost. It's very meaningful, particularly to the folks up in New York City, I believe. They saw this flag every day, going to work, assignments, and there's been many folks that were either involved in this, when unfortunately some are no longer with us. They've passed on. And so it's fairly meaningful to remember those folks as well, and what they endured and what they witnessed and what they participated in, how they assisted that day.